right, this will be video number 3. So I'm going to start by making sure my top component is activated. And I want to click on that little circle right there. And then I want to create a new component underneath it. And this component is going to be, for me here, I'm looking at my component here. This is going to be number 3 for me. So I have 1 up top, 3 right here, and this will be puzzle 3. Click OK. And then I'm going to create a sketch again. So again, I can click on this right here to create a sketch. And I want to create the sketch right here on this layer. And I'm actually going to do something before I create that sketch, before I select this here. I want to project, actually I'll create the sketch, sorry. We'll create the sketch, and I'm going to create it on the outside here. We'll do it on the outside cube. You can see this vertically. If you can't see this, you need to turn up your brightness on your screen. Turn that brightness up and create that sketch right there. And then I'm going to hold the shift key and hold my mouse wheel, and I'm going to move around here. And I want to project, P for project. I want to project onto these different planes here. So you can see I'm going to click here. I'm going to click, I want to try and get this red square right there. And I'm really highlighting on this back piece right here. And I want to project onto there too. Okay, it gives me all these different layers where I can project onto, where I can actually draw onto if I want to. And then I'm going to click OK. Now I'm going to start drawing out my shape number 3. So I'm going to get a front view of this here. So front view, like so. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. This one's going to go down for me. This might go up for you, depending on how you're drawing it. And again, I'm here. I'm going to start with my line tool, and I'm just going to click. The great thing now is I can just click and go along here, keep on going, and right here. And then the grid will help me out with this here too. So I want to go down 1 and over 1 and down 1 and over 2 and down 1 and over 1 and up 2 and over 1 and up 2 and over 1, down and back into right here. I forget where I started at, so I'm going to hold the shift key and my mouse wheel, kind of see where I started at. I think I started up top there, so I'm going to keep on going and then connect this up. We'll see if I might be overdrawn some of these lines, and then I can escape. Okay, now I can see, okay, on here, so let's see what I got. So I'm going to extrude, so E for extrude. I know I want to extrude this piece, this piece, this piece, and this piece. Okay, so I'm going to extrude all of those different pieces there. And again, I can hold the shift key and my mouse wheel, and I can move around it, and you can see which way I want to extrude. I want to go this way, which is negative, and I want to go negative 0.5. And then I click new body, that looks good, negative 0.5, I click OK. Then I can go back here to my top component, activate it, and you should see 2 different components. And they should match what you have on your piece, all right, on your paper puzzle cube. Click home, get a nice view of that. And then save, Command S to save. All right, check out video number 4.